Welcome! If you've ever wondered which devices are currently logged into your Instagram account, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to check exactly that, so you can keep your account secure and have peace of mind. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to check. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap on those to open the menu. From here, you'll see a list of options. Find and tap on Account Center. This is where Instagram has grouped together important settings for your account, including security features. Inside the Account Center, scroll down until you find the Password and Security section. Tap on it. This is the hub for all things related to your account safety. Next, look for the option that says Where you're logged in. Tap on this and you'll see a list of all the devices that are currently logged in to your Instagram account. Each device will show details like the device type, location, and the last time it was active. Take a moment to review this list carefully. If you spot any device or location that you don't recognize, it's a good idea to log out of that session immediately. Just tap on the device and select the option to log out. For added security, consider changing your password right after. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily keep track of which devices have access to your Instagram account and take quick action if something doesn't look right. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Stay safe and see you in the next video.